a big ass catfish, babe.
That's going in the freezer.
Hell yeah. Going on. Some bullshit. Look how the rod bent.
I don't even want to touch that shit.
It's Corona time.
No.
You might have to cut the rod. God damn it. That's a lot of work. Oh, you're going to have to just let it open, drop it. Yeah, it's over with. You can't even do it. You're going to have to change the rod again. Look where your crappie rig at. Look at it. You see the beads? Where the beads at? Boom. Y'all see them? The red beads? You better not touch that. You know, don't do it.
I gotta get my shit.
Oh.
I can't touch that though.
No, that's a wrap.
God damn it.
Hey, you got gray hairs on your hands.
Really? You gotta be kidding me. Are you serious?
Up close they look like.
I do
Maybe
not
it's
like
the light.
that.
Maybe it's the light. Damn, I might got a fish and don't even know it.
Where?
I don't know. I'm not looking. I'm trying to figure out what's happening with you.
Alright, where are we putting all this stuff at? We gotta keep this stuff in order.
And the bucket.
I thought that was
You gotta be careful. It's holes down there. They sold us this bucket. It's broke. And it broke. It was so cute. At some point.
Let's get over there. Let me